Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey Mouse telephone. It's a Pacific Bell. This is Sandra's equipment from California. And she has a note with this telephone, and she's talking about the hand that you would hang the receiver up in is not returning, and she says it's broken. And also an issue with the redial, and she says some other features do not work. And we need to talk to Sandra about that, and we're going to find out what she's talking about on the other issues. Now, we have Mickey all apart because we're troubleshooting the issue with the hanger or the hand that's the hanger for the handset. So we're going to go ahead and troubleshoot that out, and we'll get to some of the other issues as we move forward in the repair of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse telephone. So we're going to go ahead and get our start on that, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of troubleshooting and repairing this really cool animated Mickey Mouse telephone, and we're going to run through a little bit about what's going on. Now, earlier we mentioned that the hand and arm that you hang the receiver up in had an issue. It would not return. Now that has been repaired. We troubleshooted further into the unit because in the letter that Sandra sent with this animated Mickey Mouse telephone, she mentioned that there was other issues, and we have talked with Sandra and confirmed that there was no animation. And so in the gear cluster and servo, which is a motor that turns all the gears, we had some issues and they were resolved. So now we have animation again, and we're going to test it with the demo button. And I just have this whole gear cluster and all of our linkage just balanced here. And we're going to go ahead and hit the demo button because we want to test this unit before we put it back together again. So I'm going to go ahead and start the animation. Now I'm going to stop it and we'll restart the animation. Go ahead and push the button one more time.
Oh boy, a phone call! Gee, I wonder who it could be.
We'll go ahead and stop it. Now what we want to do is we want to put everything back together again. We're going to resolder our main PC board. I found some solder on that board I don't like, and so we're going to resolder the main PC board, and we'll take a look at any other issues that may be going on. So we're going to go ahead and finish this work up. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to talk about not only will this unit take batteries, it will also take a power supply, a transformer, and the plug is right on the side here. It's also clearly indicated that you're supposed to use a 9-volt DC 500 milliamp center positive plug and transformer. And transformers are clearly marked what voltage they are, what milliamps, and the direction of the plug, whether it's center positive or center ground. And Mickey is center positive. And this is just an old plug here. but the indication is right here at the center, and it is positive. So that's what you want to use. I'm not sure if Sandra has the original transformer, but you do not want to put the wrong transformer and plug that into Mickey, or you can damage the circuitry. So you want to use a 9-volt DC center positive 500 milliamp transformer or adapter. People call them different things. Now, what we want to do is use the demo button, and we're going to go ahead and show you Mickey some of the sayings that he says.
Oh boy, a phone call. Gee, I wonder who it could be.
Now we're going to stop that, and we'll start it and do it one more time.
Oh boy, a phone call. Gee, I wonder who it could be.
All right, now what we can do is use the analyzer, and we'll send a ring cycle. So we'll start that, and he'll go into his animation.
Oh boy, a phone call.
We'll let that go a couple times.
Gee, I wonder who it could be. It's for you.
We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. There is a volume control on the handset. It's in the high mode. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. Pound, star, and I'm going to end in a 2. Now what we want to do is hang up, dial tone, and we're going to hit redial. The analyzer will end in a 2. And now what we want to do is transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're going through our animation, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call it time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll call that number.
Today is Monday, February 13th. The current time, 4:17 p.m. and the temperature, 54 degrees.
Hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool animated Mickey Mouse telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Sandra and she can enjoy this Mickey Mouse telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.